Imagine this. You're scrolling through your feed, seeing friends post about side hustles that seem too easy. They're making extra cash without breaking a sweat. What's their secret? It's AI, and it's simpler than you think. Meet Alex, a regular guy from Chicago. He works a 9-to-5 job, pays bills, and dreams of financial freedom. But like many, he's stuck in a rut. Savings? Barely growing. Investments? Overwhelming. The problem, most Americans feel lost in the money game. We chase hot tips but end up confused. Markets fluctuate. Choices paralyze us. It's like trying to juggle while blindfolded. Funny, right? But not when it's your future. Here's the twist. It's not about smarts. It's psychology. Fear holds us back. We doubt our decisions. AI flips that script. It removes the guesswork, making us feel in control. Lesson 1. Use AI for stock picks. Tools like chatbots analyze trends. Ask simple questions. Get clear answers. No PhD needed. Lesson 2. Budget smarter. AI apps track spending habits. They spot leaks, like that coffee habit adding up. Gentle nudges help you save without pain. Lesson 3. Side income ideas. AI generates personalized gigs. Write content, design logos. It brainstorms for you. Turn hobbies into cash. Lesson 4. Learn investing basics. Free AI tutors explain concepts like compound interest in plain English. Build confidence step by step. Now, picture Alex today. He's invested wisely. Side hustle thriving. Stress gone. He feels empowered. You can too. Ready to try? Grab a free AI tool and start small. See the difference. If this sparked an idea, hit like and subscribe for more tips. Your wallet will thank you.